Introducing the 2026 BMW 2 Series, where sleek design meets innovative engineering. This dynamic coupe offers a driving experience that redefines excitement and sophistication. Mild hybrid technology enhances efficiency and power, while active pedestrian safety offers peace of mind in urban settings. Step inside to discover M-illuminated aluminium hexacube interior and sport seats that provide ultimate comfort and style. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge BMW today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 BMW 2 Series. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection, and tyre and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.